In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking in Asana. This feature is incredibly useful for understanding how long tasks actually take, helping you plan better, improve productivity, and keep your projects on schedule. To get started, go to Asana's login page and sign in to your workspace. If your organization uses a connected account like Google, you can choose that option. Otherwise, simply enter your usual login details. Once you're inside, select the project where you want to track time. Choosing the correct project ensures that your tracking fields stay organized and relevant, without affecting other projects your team may be working on. After opening your project, make sure you are in list view. This is important because the time tracking fields can be added directly to the task list in this layout. At the top of your task columns, look for the plus icon and click on it to add a new field. If you don't immediately see this option, try adjusting your window size or confirming that you're in the correct view. In the field library that appears, type in time tracking and select the option when it shows up. Asana will automatically add two columns to your project, one for estimated time and another for actual time. These fields allow you to plan your work and then compare it with the time actually spent. Start by setting an estimated time for a task. Click into the corresponding cell and choose a value that represents how long you expect the task to take. This helps set clear expectations before any work begins. Then, move to the actual time field for the same task and enter a sample value. This gives you an initial comparison between your planned and recorded time. If you need to make changes, you can easily adjust either field by clicking on the value and updating it. Both estimated and actual time fields remain flexible, so you can refine your entries whenever necessary. When you're ready to begin working, you can track time in real time. Inside the actual time field, select the option to start the timer. The timer will begin counting as you work on the task, and the recorded time will update automatically. Just make sure the task remains active so the tracking stays accurate. Using consistent time units and setting realistic estimates will make your tracking more effective. Over time, this approach gives you better insights into how your work is managed and helps improve future planning. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.